Good morning everybody, today we're making smoked salmon and scrambled eggs.
So what have we got here?
So we've got milk,
Yeah. Pepper,
some salt and smoked salmon
and butter
and butter and some eggs.
And some eggs. And then over there toast that you've already made. Yeah?
Dogs, get out.
Right. Okay, so Grammy's gonna, that's a big mixer, so Grammy's gonna help you.
Grammy's gonna mix and I'm...
Are you gonna put the seasoning in first?
Oh yeah, seasoning.
Put the milk in.
Milk first.
Yeah, pour the milk in.
Then we're gonna pour the milk in, get some pepper. Pour the pepper in. Then we have to get the salt.
Yep.
Pop that in. Then we can start mixing. Okay.
Keep it going. Okay?
Is that all done?
Yep.
That's enough mixing. Now we'll go again to let it set.
Right. So now you need to put some butter in the pan.
Put some butter
That's on there.
into...
Just rub it off with your finger.
Can you grab me with that? And
That's
then
it.
we're going to pop that.
No, you're not swapping anything. That's going in the pan in a minute.
This is going to go in the pan right now. Like this.
Right.
Can I pour?
Yeah, pour it in.
Oh.
Right. Now, Alice. She needs to stir.
Because it is noisy. I'm going to move on so I can cook.
You hold the pan.
You see now the butter's melting. Now the scrambled egg.
Yeah, you've got to keep that stirring.
Or if it gets too hot.
Right, so shall we come back when you've done it?
Hmm?
I'll pause now and come back when we're finished.
The egg's now cooked. Now I'm going to pop in this salmon.
Right, big lumps. Big handfuls. That's it.
That's a big real handful.
Right.
There's
Okay.
lots more, guys. So we got to...
Right, now stir it all together.
There's still some more.
All right.
To tip it in.
Right, you're going to stir it all together now.
Oh. Sorry in the talking round because this is Granny and Uncle.
That's it.
James is back from his holiday anyway.
Where'd they be?
So I can't remember.
Cornwall.
Cornwall, and I've just come back. We had an 8-hour drive home.
Did they really?
An 8-hour. And James hurt his foot on some stairs.
Oh.
So there was little knives.
How's it looking now?
It's good.
Is it?
It's looking nice, but still needs a bit more stirring because, as you can see, some of the smoked salmon.
It's all cooking nicely. You're just going to try a little bit, see if it's cooked.
Hmm?
You're going to try a little bit, see if it's warm.
Yeah, I'm going to get a little spoon. See if it's nice. Can you stop the heat, please?
No, go on. Taste it. See if it's warm.
I'm just blowing it to make sure that it's not really hot. Nice?
I meant it's a salmon warm, not the egg. It's done. Don't want to be any more. Right, let's just pause.
Now it's cooked, now I'm going to serve it up for Granny. She might want a lot, so I'm going to give her like a lot. And as you can see, there's toast as well.
There you go. That's it. That's enough.
Eat.
Right, you need to call Grammy now.
Grammy! Breakfast! I have the knife. I'll find the knife.
I think, are you going to take it to it?
Yeah. Grammy, it doesn't matter, you can stay there.
Come on.
Dog, it's not for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grammy?
But they fly along and then they
What do you say? Bon appetit?
like
Bon
put the wings
appetit.
in and